This is what it looks like when I just get out of a shower. So I'm going to show you how to straighten this a little bit. This is the kind of brush I use. Just by combing it. I don't really get it straight. You get a lot of curl down here at the bottom. Doesn't come down nice. So I'll show you what we do here. So we're trying to pull it across the face to make one big straight line. So a big difference how it turns down here at the bottom now compared to this side that just kind of curls out. That's basically what I do on a normal day. Some days I use this Elmer's glue. Yeah, I use Elmer's glue on my mustache because it works way better than little waxes you can buy. The waxes really don't hold it in place that well for me, the ones I've actually tried. Maybe some waxes are will hold it better, but I'll do one side at a time here. I don't do this very often. Yeah, you really got to work it in a little bit, otherwise you have some chunks in there. But it'll your beard will stay all day while I'm at work like this. Just kind of pulls it to the side a little bit, keeps it out of my face, out of my mouth. And put a little curl on it. My beard's really not that old yet to really have a nice big mustache yet. Normally I won't try to start doing this till it's at least 6 months. 6 months old beard to really get a good twist on it. You just hold the beard in place while you hit it with the air dryer till it gets So the glue starts drying. Once the glue starts drying, that'll hold, I don't know, probably a good, easy 12 hours. Elmer's glue, pick it up anywhere. It's cheap.